John Wanoa here, Sunday, 10th of July 2011. I want to just demonstrate to you we're New Zealanders. You can see it on the map here on the Earth Google, and I'm going to spin it and directly opposite the East Cape at Te Pito, 180 degrees. When I spin it, it'll land up right on Giza at Cairo, the pyramid, a great big pyramid. Its opposite end is right on this East Cape point here, and 90 degrees east is Easter Island, Te Pito there. So Te Pito, 90 degrees to the west, they look to the east, and so do the Great Pyramids in Cairo, Nubia, Africa, and that's where the obeliscus that the spirit people left this earth to go into the universe. And the same with Moai statues. They're on Easter Island, and they are lined up with this point here on the East Cape, where we are expected to build a memorial temple for both the Moai statue and our ancestors, Mawanoa people, Polynesian, and also for the King Khufu, the Nubian spiritual person. They built these great big stone pyramids and also the stone statues with supernatural powers. Now that was directly from God and his mana, so they were able to do that without too much problem. I'm going to spin the map now, the world, and it should land up right on Giza around the other side. Here goes. Oh, now there is Giza there. I went a bit too far. There it is there, right? That's where it should have landed up here. That's Giza, and the pyramids directly 180 degrees around the other side. When the world turns right, from looking from south, the bottom of the earth up, and so that's where the sun rises on the East Cape. And I'll spin it again and see. Let's see. There it goes, right? I just went just past a bit. It lands up at 180 degrees, smack right where that point is. And that's the rising sun, the first rising sun, god Ra. Now, with the American Washington D.C., they got their triangle with their Horus sun god. I don't know where that one comes up, but we're going to do an exercise where their one lands up somewhere in Guatemala. So I'll do an exercise like that after this one. So watch this as I spin it, and there it goes. There's Giza. I just went past it a little bit, and that's the point right there where the pyramid is. So if we just gently go around this way, we'll go 180 degrees this way, where we go there, and it's mid-ocean. That's 90 degrees right there, and if we go another 90 degrees, and we'll go around that way, still further, and we'll come up with that's Easter Island there, right there in the middle of the ocean, where I'm pointing the marker. And if you just go slightly from there straight out here to the right where the sun's going to rise again, you'll come up with the East Cape, Te Pito point. From where we just left is Te Pito, Te Hino Island, Easter Island, Rapa Nui, to this point here, which is Moko Nui on your chin. You've got a carving around your chin. That's the Moko point there, right? I just wanted to make that point quite clear, that the truth of the matter with the true God of the universe is here, the sun god Ra, where the sun first comes up before it shifts west. So there we go. It comes and it lands up there in the mid-ocean, around about there, the bottom of Japan there, to the south, and then it goes around again, and it lands up at Giza, right there, right? You see what I mean? Now I'll just spin that, and there it lands up in the mid-north Atlantic Ocean, and back to New Zealand. Okay, East Cape, Te Pito, on our one land blocks at East Cape. So that's the story, and I'll just leave that for now and switch this off, and then I'll make another one of the